Most portfolio websites are boring, just text, projects, and contact page. But today we are building a scroll-based storytelling portfolio website where story unfolds as you scroll. And the crazy part is we built entire animation using AI tools, no manual animation required. So let me show you how I did that step by step. So let's create the assets. We need frames and animations. To create frames, I'm going to be using the Freepik and come over here, image generation, and here we're gonna do the work. And here we're gonna paste the prompt here. This is the first frame creating prompt, a door opening prompt, and here wait, yeah. Before doing anything, check the it is widescreen or not, and now then just enter. And we got the result, and this is the result. And here we're gonna download this, and this is gonna be downloaded in PNG format. Now let's use this as reference, and then delete this prompt and paste a second prompt that will create the second frame and generate. And this is the second frame, and it's really good. And we're gonna use this. First we're gonna download this as PNG format, and we can see if you want to check it, just come over here and check if it's PNG or not. And now let's use it as a reference, and then delete this prompt and paste the last frame creating prompt and enter. And yeah, we got it, the person sipping coffee. Now we got the first frame, second frame, and third frame. The first frame open door, and the second frame which is a working laptop, PC, and then the person sipping coffee. We got the 3 frames, and we go and just make sure it's downloaded. Okay, it's downloading, I guess. Yeah, downloading. And now let's create the animations. We're gonna be creating flow to create the animations, and yeah, let's go to new project. And here we're gonna upload the files. First frame, second frame, and third frame. We add the 3 frames here. Let it load, and then we can organize it from first, second, and third.
One eternity later.
Okay, we need to change this. Yeah. Okay, now let's organize it. First frame is open door, second frame is the working laptop, and third frame is the person sipping coffee. And now let's paste this prompt that will generate the video, and it's quite simple. The first thing is camera slowly pushing through the door and open the song creating a studio workspace, and the second scene is camera moving towards the desk where the computer screen is turned on, displaying a coding environment with a soft screen glowing light in the desk. And the third scene is camera finishes on a creative developer sitting in the desk calmly sipping coffee while looking at the computer. And that's it. Now let's just enter, and we got our result. Let's play this one first. Why is it not playing? Okay, again. So there's a cut there. We don't want that. Let's play this again. Okay, this here, the person sitting over there and coffee, and yeah, it's already, the person is already sitting there. So let's use that. It's my mistake actually. The frame should be more then in the second frame we should have shown the person sitting. So yeah, it's my mistake, and the flow just fixed that by already making the person sitting here and then sipping coffee. Now let's download this. You need to get a pro version to get that in 4K quality. We're gonna be using in 720p. Just download it. Now let's convert this video into image sequence. Now we are at SGIF. Here we're gonna convert the video into the image sequence. So upload the file. So I have added the video file. It's gonna show up any moment now. Okay, it's up. You can see the name. Now let's just upload the video. So this is the video, and here you can just I'm gonna just maximize the frame to 30 frames rate, and now then gonna convert to JPG file. I mean the image sequence. Convert. So we got our frames here. You can see start. There is ton of frames. And now let's download the zip file. Just like that, we have created the image sequence of that video file. Now let's add to our website. Let's add the frame to public section here. Yeah, all the frames are set. So after going through some debugging and editing process, I have finally completed. So let me show you what I did. So when we scroll down, it's soon to a different section like sipping coffee, and then we even scroll down, you can see the man is going to work and the coffee mug is just disappeared. I don't know where. And this is the about section, and when we scroll down, there's this project section, we can click it. Yes, you can see, and then this capability section, and that's it. Yeah, some reviews and everything. So that's it. So this is how you can create a awesome portfolio website using animations, frames, and anti-gravity. And that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next awesome video. Thank you for watching.